Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Sierra's Crafts, etc., where I will be showing you all how I put together a keychain and an earring set. So these are some of the items that I have here to show you all. These are my keychain holders, these are my earring holders. Some of the other tools that I have here is a pair of pliers that I use to open and then of course close. So there's 2 or 3 others I have. I also have a drill tool where it drills the hole into make the earrings, as well as like the keychains. And I have a earring stand where I can showcase the earrings once they're done. I use these for basically filing down any of my earrings or keychains that just have like a hard spot on them. So this is one of the ones I made about 2 or 3 months ago, and it's time to finally go ahead and put the keyring piece in so that I can make it into a keychain. And so these are made with epoxy, or some people call them resin. And so some of them in this bag I have already put the ring down in. Some of them I have not, which just means that I need to go ahead and figure out which ones I can easily access. This right here is where I keep the pieces at for making keychains. So I have like the keychain holders. I have some of the little pieces that go on my acrylic keychains for my blanks, and then I have like the little screws that go into the keychains. This right here is for earrings. So I have the backs. I have like rose gold, gold, and silver backs, earrings, all of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump everything out and get ready to show you all what I have. There will be a link in my description box down below in order to order these, or you can also inbox me over on Instagram at Sierra_Davis94 to place your order. What I have right now is what you're seeing, and these are the things that I'm trying to sell first before making anything new. Just because it's no use in creating new stuff and still having things being put to the side. So there are some of these things that are on my website, some of these things are not. But if you do see something here, definitely shoot me a message or comment down below, and I will find a way to contact you about your order. So I do have earrings such as like Africa earrings. I also have keychains that have letters, and so the earrings can either be like Lego set pieces or puzzle set pieces, as well as the Africa set pieces. And then I do have like some Minnie Mouse ones as well. So this right here is just me you know, showing you all the pieces that you need in order to put this together. So I've already put in the keychain ring into the hole by using my drill, and then I'm just using the bigger piece that's gonna go into the actual keychain so that I can use the pliers to close it, and then it's gonna come out as a keychain. When I am done putting these together, I put them on the red keychain holder and staple it together. That way it does not come off, get lost, or anything else. And then I tend to bag it up. You guys will see that here. So you all can see it right here where I'm getting ready to put it into the keychain holder. It takes for me to bend it in order for it to go onto the holder, but it's a really great way to keep up with it. I wish that I had a keychain stand where I could easily just put this on and kind of keep up with my inventory rather than just keeping it in a thank you bag that comes along with the actual keychain or earrings, and that way I could see it right in front of me. But this is how I put together the D, and then this is just the little stickers and bags that I got off of Amazon for whenever I ship these out. This is what it's going to come in. It's also going to have a thank you sticker for supporting my small business that goes on the bag, and so it's just a really great way to show you all that I'm thankful for your purchase. The one thing I'll say about these is that it's really best to use the pliers, but then again, it's really good to try and see how much you can use your hand to get the keyring holder in with your finger, due to the fact that these can easily break if I continue to use the pliers. So I just try to use my hands as much as possible. I then take my plier right here and just push it together so that the rings don't come through. And so, like I said, I just go ahead and bag them up into the bags just like this, and they'll be ready to sit in the box until someone's ready to buy. I wanted to show you all really quickly how to use the drill tool. The drill tool came off of Amazon as well, and it's really great. For some reason, when I was filming, I could not find my little screw tool that would keep the drill in place. So I need to look for that, but I just wanted to show you guys like what it would look like while trying to drill a hole. Now is the part where I want to show you guys how I put a set of earrings together. So these have already been made. This is something that I just set to the side from the summer and decided to put together now. So these are my green, yellow, and black Africa earrings that I created. So they're both the same, and I just simply put the key ring in, and then I use the earring piece to put together, and I use the pliers to kind of just push the ring together so that it cannot come off. And then what I do is place it on one of the brown pieces of cardstock and then get ready to package it up. When I package up the earrings, they do come with backs on them. Depending on the size of the earring is whether I use the small backs or whether I use the larger backs. So for the bigger earrings like this, I use the bigger backs just so that they aren't weighed down too much. These earrings definitely are not too heavy to place in someone's ears. This is just another prime example where these are some Minnie Mouse earrings. I'm using smaller backs, and I just decided to put the smaller ones on because these are smaller earrings. So this is exactly what it would come like after adding the other one. But like I said, today was just to show you all that this is how I package up my earrings. This is also how I put them together, and this is how I create them. I think that I have a couple different videos on my channel where I have shown you all how I create my earrings using resin or epoxy, as some of you guys call it. But it's really great, and I love creating, and I hope to make some sales in the future, as I would love to get back into doing what I love to do, and that is creating earrings and keychains and things like that. So if you're interested in any of the products that you've seen in this video, comment down below. or like I said before, contact me on Instagram at Sierra_Davis94. Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on another one.